Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan, a full stack web developer, and in today's video I will explain you that what is agentic AI. Let's start with its definition. Agentic AI is an AI system that can make decisions and take actions on its own to achieve a goal without being told exactly what to do at every step. Before going its detail, let me tell you one thing, that these AI agents uses large language models. So the question is, what is the difference between an AI agent and a large language model? So let's suppose you ask ChatGPT to plan a trip for you. My question is, can ChatGPT book a flight for you? The answer is no, but AI agent can do. The second question is, can it schedule this flight on your calendar? The answer is no, but an AI agent can do that. And the third is, for example, maybe on booking websites, on hotel booking websites, can ChatGPT book that booking for you on a specific date? The answer is no. But on the other hand, an AI agent can do this for you. AI agents are next level things. The large language models were used only to generate text, voices, images, and videos. But using these large language models, AI can perform more tasks. The workflows and systems become automatic and less intervention required, or almost in most cases no human intervention is required. So here is where AI is replacing humans. In the last, let me give you an example that how an AI agent can automate a task. So let's suppose a new employee joins an organization. So when it will be joined, an AI agent can schedule a welcome meeting, and it can send an email maybe to the uh, HR manager or maybe to the manager, and it can also send email to that employee. And obviously large language models are used to do that. So basically here, this is actually called tool. And next, it can create an interns profile in HR management system. So obviously it will require this tool, that HR management system, but still it will use that large language model to doing this task automatically. And next, it can do like IT help desk, like Wi-Fi credentials. It can give, it can create a specific email for that employee. It can give that employees the Slack access. So these all the tools an agent will use to do these following tasks, and but still it will use large language models. And the last thing it can do, that it can order a new laptop and create his ID, I means this organization ID card. So you can see that these all the tasks uh, can be done using an AI agent. So an AI agent is goal oriented planning. So it means its goal was to onboard the new intern joining next Monday. So multi-step reasoning. So you can see that it do the multi-step reasoning using a large language model and using different tools. Autonomous decision making. So here no human intervention is required. So all these things it will do automatically. And obviously it have tool like mails, Slack, etc. Knowledge, obviously it can have access to the database. It can create new records to your database or fetch existing records, and it also have memory. So uh, an AI agent also remember that what it do or what it reply or what it receive message from a user. All these things stored in a AI agent's memory. So this is how practically an AI agent work. So let me give you another example of an AI agent. For example, you have an e-commerce website, and someone go to your website and it says that the my payment is failed. So now a simple chatbot can only respond to that message, but an AI agent, what it can do, okay, it can receive that message, it can plan that what it should do, it can check the database that why payment is failed, and obviously it, if that AI agent is confident to answer that query, it will directly answer that. Otherwise, if human intervention will be required, it will ask a real person to respond to that query. So this was another example of how AI agent workflows work. I believe that this is a modern technology that developers should learn. And one last thing I want to tell you, that N8N and make.com, these platforms and can be used to build automatic process using AI agents. And one thing is Python programming language. is very important. You should learn this programming language where you can write these AI agents coding, and that will perform automatic tasks. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.